Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to add closed captions to a Google Drive video. Closed captions are an incredibly useful tool for making your video content more accessible. They not only help individuals who are deaf or hard of hearing, but also make your videos more engaging for people who prefer reading along or for those who are watching in a noisy environment. Moreover, adding captions can expand your video's reach to a wider audience, including non-native speakers. So, if you've been wondering how to add closed captions to your videos on Google Drive, you're in the right place. I'm here to guide you through each step of the process. Let's start by accessing Google Drive. Open up your favorite web browser, type in the Google Drive URL in the address bar, and press Enter. This will take you to the home page where you can see all your uploaded files and videos. If the video you want to caption hasn't been uploaded yet, you'll need to do that first. To upload, click on the New button located in the top left corner, select File Upload, and then choose the video file from your computer that you wish to work with. Once your video is uploaded, go ahead and find it in your drive. You'll want to hover your mouse over the video file and perform a right-click. This action will bring up a contextual menu with several options. Right-clicking in Google Drive is a handy feature because it provides quick access to various actions like sharing, downloading, and more. But for our purpose today, we are looking for something specific. When the menu appears, hover over the File Information option. You don't need to click yet. Just hovering will usually reveal more choices. Look for the option labeled Manage Caption Tracks. Clicking on it will redirect you to a dedicated page for managing everything about captions for that particular video. Now comes the crucial part, adding your captions. Click on Add New Caption Tracks. Google Drive's user-friendly interface simplifies this step. So even if you're new to this, you'll find it easy to follow. You will then see an option to generate automatic captions. Google provides an auto-captioning service that transcribes the audio from your video into text, making the process almost effortless. However, keep in mind that automatic captions may not always be perfect. It's important to review them carefully for any mistakes or inaccuracies. Correct any errors to ensure your captions are as accurate as possible, allowing everyone to fully understand and enjoy your video content. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add closed captions to your Google Drive videos. By making your videos more accessible, you not only show consideration for all viewers, but also potentially draw in a larger audience. Remember, after generating your captions, always review and edit them for precision. This ensures everyone can fully appreciate and understand your content. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to add closed captions to a Google Drive video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.